Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Behind every spinning wind turbine is a story of innovation, precision, and the tools driving the future of renewable energy. While cranes may take center stage in turbine assembly, behind the scenes, Enerpac hydraulic tools for positioning, bolting, and lifting all help to ensure precision installation and long-term turbine reliability. Assembling wind turbines, both onshore and offshore, is no small feat. Picture this: monopile foundations driven deep into the seabed, towering sections reaching over 120 meters, and blades reaching wider than a jumbo jet's wingspan, all requiring precise level alignment and controlled bolting to ensure structural integrity. So how can all this be achieved? These are the jobs where hydraulic equipment excels. First of all, there's electric trolley systems that can be used to load transition pieces onto offshore installation vessels, ensuring smooth, steady, and efficient movement. Next, hydraulic torque wrenches come into play, initially for securing components on deck for safe transit, and later for bolting tower sections together. What about foundation bolts? No problem. Enerpac hydraulic tensioners provide the powerful but precise force to keep everything locked together at the specified tension. And when it comes to raising the heavy hitters, like blades, hubs, and nacelles, these must be supported from multiple points to enable accurate movement and to protect their structural integrity. This can be done with an Enerpac synchronous hoist system that mounts below the crane hook, or with custom-designed hydraulic solutions, such as the multi-point lifting system, engineered to provide secure handling and precise positioning. On tower flanges and transition pieces, ovalization can occur during manufacturing or transport, causing misalignment of bolt holes. This common challenge is solved with flange alignment tools that apply controlled force, ensuring efficient and accurate assembly of internally flanged tower sections. And let's not forget hydraulic cylinders that can be used to level offshore transition pieces accurately. In these remote locations, portable hydraulic pumps, including battery-powered models, are needed to work these powerful hydraulic tools. Hydraulics make the extraordinary possible. They help to transform challenging and complex wind turbine assembly into a streamlined and safer process. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us.